Stress isn't just making you tired, it's literally breaking down your muscle and storing fat on your belly. Want to know why your workouts aren't working? Imagine this, you are eating right, lifting weights, but your body feels lighter, weaker, more bloated every day. This isn't you failing. It's stress hijacking your hormones. Stay with me because the fix is simpler than you think. When life feels overwhelming, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol only has one job: to keep you alive, not lean, not toned, not energized, just alive. When cortisol is continuously high, your body goes into survival mode, and here's what most women don't know. Your body starts to break down muscle. Muscle is stored energy, so cortisol rips protein out of muscle and turns it into fast sugar for emergencies. Muscle is sacrificed to create survival fuel, but cortisol does something else as well. It blocks muscle repair. So even if you are lifting weights, even if you are drinking protein shakes, even if you are eating protein at every meal to meet your protein requirements, rebuilding muscle slows right down. And that extra sugar? Cortisol sends it straight to your belly. Why the belly? Because belly fat has far more cortisol receptors than anywhere else. Stress doesn't just cause fat gain, it tells your body where to store it. Now add midlife into this. After 40, estrogen and progesterone start to drop and fluctuate. These hormones protect muscle and calm inflammation, but when they fluctuate and fall and cortisol remains high, muscle loss speeds up. Fat becomes stubborn, energy crashes, and your body feels puffy, sore, achy, and inflamed, so you push harder. And your body pushes back. This isn't lack of willpower. Your body isn't broken. It's stuck in survival mode, trying to protect you from the tigers that don't exist anymore. The tigers today are emails, deadlines, family pressure, never switching off, low energy, inflammation, that heavy, achy feeling. It's all connected. So here's the truth. When the body doesn't feel safe, it will not let go of fat and it will not build muscle. So the answer isn't more effort. The answer is sending your body signals of safety. Here's a 5-step plan. First, prioritize sleep. Sleeping early and getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep. This is when cortisol drops and muscle repair happens. Second, slow down once a day, just 5 to 10 minutes, deep breathing into your belly. This tells your body we are okay. It shifts your nervous system from survival mode, so your workouts can rebuild strength instead of fueling breakdown. Third, support your gut microbiome. Your gut and your brain are in constant conversation. They are connected through the gut-brain axis, a communication system made up of nerves, hormones, and the trillions of bacteria living in your gut. When stress is high, this system gets disrupted. Research shows chronic stress can change the balance of gut bacteria, which can then feed back into higher cortisol, low mood, and poor stress resilience. This is why improving gut health can help calm the stress response. One simple way to support this is by regularly eating foods that contain live beneficial bacteria. Fermented foods such as kefir, kimchi, and live yogurt can help increase microbial diversity and support a healthier gut environment. A healthier gut often means a calmer nervous system and better stress control. Fourth, protein and carbs within 30 minutes of waking up. This will blunt the morning cortisol spike and stabilize blood sugar. This is key for midlife hormone balance and energy. And fifth, evening calming stretches and a warm shower. Gentle stretching in the evening helps shift your body out of stress mode and into its calming rest and digest state. This happens because slow movements activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which lowers cortisol and prepares the body for sleep. Easy spinal twists, hip openers, and slow neck rolls help stimulate the vagus nerve. This sends a clear message of safety to the brain, easing the constant on-edge feeling caused by an overactive stress response. Research has shown that simple stretching can reduce both morning and evening cortisol levels by improving how the body processes stress. Following this with a warm shower deepens the effect. The warmth relaxes tight muscles and increases blood flow, and when your body cools down afterwards, it naturally signals the brain to release melatonin. This temperature drop helps calm late-night cortisol and makes it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. When your body feels safe, it rebuilds muscle, lets go of fat, and your energy comes back. Your body isn't broken, it's asking for care.